Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making some Lasooni Palak. So recently I had this in a restaurant and I was like, come on, let's go and recreate this dish. And it was totally amazing. So it was a rainy day and I thought this is the perfect day to have this with some nice hot chapatis. So firstly I took a non-stick pan, added some oil, and when the oil gets hot, just sizzle some nice cumin seeds, that is jeera, in it, followed by some chillies, garlic, one onion and some ginger garlic paste. Now you need to stir the ginger garlic paste till the raw aroma of it goes away. Post that you can add some haldi, chili powder and even put some besan and mix it up nicely, and then add some tomatoes in it, and then put the palak puree which you must have boiled and given a nice cold bath and taken out, and give it a nice stir. Now one thing you should understand is we have used besan in this, so there are chances of it becoming nice and ghara, so that is why we need to stir it continuously. As you see here, it gets really thick. So you stir it nicely, then add some cream in it to give it that texture, and you can see it looks really amazing. But और थोड़ा अभी बाकी है हम लोग को ऐड करना है इसमें. So what I did is like I added some water and then give it a nice boil, and at the same time I made the tadka ready, the Lasooni tadka. So in this you need to add some jeera, lasun and red chillies, and then add it to this along with some butter also. And then to give it the restaurant type of flavor, I added some coal in a bowl, added some ghee to it and gave it a nice smoky effect, so it gives exactly the taste what a restaurant gives. And yes, I had it with some hot chapatis and it was totally amazing. So do try it out and give me your comments below.